Hi everyone. Oh, sorry about this morning. We cannot discuss together. We don't have a video for FBMKL and FCPO because this period for me is like a holiday because market not so good. Just look backward for in my Facebook on 436. On 436, right, for FBMKL, we already post, we snap this chart. This chart is identify price or FBMKL in 15-minute chart. Cannot wash and rinse. If cannot wash and rinse, it means they cannot move up. But where is the target? Because if they cannot move up, where is the target? If we look back to here, we already saw this long white candlestick, and this supposed to become center for pattern A. After that, we count 1, 2, and 3. That means this is action and this is reaction. This reaction already identify target is lower than previous low. If we zoom out and back to FBMKL in 15-minute chart in the right hand side, and if okay, sorry, this is I still not in Bangkok, but when you saw this prior, this is make higher high, and okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, now price for FBMKL, right, they move this lower low and make higher high. Lower low and higher high is mean sideways. Sideways. If price want to maintain sideways like ascending triangle, they should move lower than this low or previous low. But how to move lower than previous low? Okay. If you are art member and you already saw this is strong reversal down. Strong reversal down will give you target, minimum target equal lower than previous low. That means if price cannot wash and range, that means price may move down. But where is the target? To find the target, you need two knowledge. Okay, first knowledge is signal that identify where is the target. That means you saw reversal pattern, strong reversal pattern or pattern A. But this pattern A may not affect if without any support for Dow theory, because Dow theory is mentioned sideways. That means after Dow theory mentioned sideways and merge together with strong reversal down, that means price have chance to move lower than previous low. That means for next day, if market not volatile and market not dynamic too much, price may move lower than this low. After price move lower than this low, okay, if we saw strong reversal down, after price moves lower than this low, this low is around 1771. That means if price move lower than 1771 and show you strong reversal up with weak trend for downtrend, that means it's good time for you to buy. Okay, but if you follow our market summary and our scenario for the previous commentary, you may know what is the meaning of this strategy, because we look for buy. Okay, we look for buy. But after you saw in Facebook that we already identify price have chance to move down because they cannot wash and rinse. On that time, right, price is around 1,782 something, and now price is moved 1,776, 75.8. Okay, 76. That means price move down around 6 point. 6 point from that mention, that means if you understand and if you know how to cash up the signal, maybe you can earn some money. But if you cannot identify anything, because in terms of logical listening, if you think price cannot move up, that means they have chance to move down. But one thing that you should consider, when you want to sell, you must find the target down if you want to sell. But because of you don't know pattern A, you don't know strong reversal down, you don't know down theory, that means you cannot identify anything. If you cannot identify anything, you cannot identify target, please don't touch target, don't touch future market, because future market is really dangerous. Okay, come back to FCPO. In this FCPO 50-minute chart, right, after they show rocket pattern down, okay, they rally down from here to here. Now, I just want you to apply ARTT version 2 to compare between this X and this X. This supposed to become X1 and this supposed to become X2. If they rebound, right, after rebound finish, if they identify zone 1 or zone 2, it's good for you to sell, okay, because you sell when market rebound. That means if price rebound and go to zone 1 or zone 2, you may look for sale when price rebound. But if they rebound in zone 3, if price rebound in zone 3, in terms of technical analysis, maybe look for buy when price retrace. Okay, for FCPO 5-minute chart, we have two scenarios. First scenario, if price rebound and refer to ARTT version 2, this supposed to become X1 and this supposed to become X2. Okay, if X2 rebound and identify to zone 1, that means it's good for you to sell when price rebound. Zone 2 is still good to sell when price rebound. But if price rebound in zone 3, I suggest you in based on ARTT. When price retrace, if signal confirm, looking for buy may be better. Okay, sorry, this week I'm really tired about my long weekend. Maybe cannot look at chart. And you already know, right? Chart is sideways. If you invest in stock market, average you may get nothing or lose money, because this timing is not good for investment. You should wait until you can identify good signal. If you didn't see good opportunity for next round, if price move up, because you already push all your money in some stock that low chance to move up. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow.